Hello everyone, my name is Raheel from Brownwood Renovation and we have been delivering basement renovation for more than 17 years. We offer tight planning, clean execution and zero guesswork for the homeowner. You get a transparent quote and a project which is managed by a professional team of Brownwood Renovation from start to finish with high quality control built in. Now I will hand it over to Joey to walk you through this basement.
Hi, welcome in. I'm Joey. Today I'm walking you through a newly completed one-bedroom basement suite in Bradford built by Brownwood Renovation. This is the kind of project that does two things at once. It upgrades your home with a beautiful living space, and it also becomes a smart financial move. The layout is designed to feel comfortable and easy to live in, with a clean flow and finishes that feel modern and consistent. It's bright, it's organized, and it feels like a proper extension of the home, not an afterthought. One detail you will notice throughout is the custom cabinetry work. This is not a basic builder-grade storage. It's thoughtfully planned, cleanly installed, and designed to maximum storage without making the space feel crowded. That's the kind of finishing that elevates a basement and makes it feel high-end. The kitchen area and built-in storage were designed to be practical for everyday living with a polished look that is easy to maintain. Everything here is meant to function well for a tenant or a family and still look great year after year. Now here's the big benefit. This basement is rentable, which means it can create a second income stream. For many homeowners, a suite like this can pay for itself in about 2 years, and after that, it continues helping with the mortgage every month. That's why basement suites are one of the strongest ways to add value and improve cash flow at the same time. If you're thinking about building a rentable basement suite and you want it done with quality workmanship and smart planning, reach out to Brownwood Renovation for a free consultation. We'll walk you through options, budgets, and what's possible in your home. Thanks for watching.